Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert alpha symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert an alpha symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC, I'm just going to show. So first of all, click on the insert option, and now just go inside the symbol option. You can find it on the custom symbols here. So here, this is alpha. So this is how you just insert alpha symbol. If you didn't show here, you just click on the more symbol option. After this, you can just want to choose font will be Arial like anything, but you just want to choose the subset as a basic Greek. So here you can see the symbol here. So this is how you just insert the alpha symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. If you have any comment doubt about how to insert some symbols, just comment below, just make a video about it, and we will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique, and have a wonderful and beautiful day.